Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items today to share with you from Coo Deals. Now I did write this on the front. It did come in a purple bag, and most of my sort of diamond paintings that I unbox tend to come in like these grey bags. So I had no idea what it was when it first turned up, you know, when you're thinking, what have I been ordering? So I took off the purple bag and then realised that it was paintings that I selected from Coo Deals that they were kind enough to send me. Now, these are done a little bit differently, and I'll show you now because they are wrapped in clear bags. But look, so can you see, I'm hiding the image because I will unbox and show you, but that says Rebecca 3, i.e. the third one, but it also says it on here. So they actually have my name on. And then we have Rebecca 2, and then that one says Rebecca on its own, and I think it will probably say it on the canvas itself, which I thought was pretty funky. I don't think, I mean, I've had a canvas with the company name on due to a partnership that we've done, but I haven't had a painting come with my name on it. So we'll start with number 1. I think this is going to be the bigger one actually, which could be fun when it comes to storing it on my desk. But yeah, so it's got Rebecca, it's got the image, and it's got a 30 by 90. So I was rather excited. It's the small things, people. It's the small things. But look at this. Oh, this picture. So yeah, it is a long one, but it is actually a thin one, which are really nice to work on the side. It is a square, but this is like arrived and done different to any other company that I've seen. So it does have my name on, Rebecca 90 by 30. It has 40 colours in this painting, and they do come with DMC numbers. And that is really, really nice. That has got so much detail. Oh, there we go. If I try and do it so that the light doesn't shine off it. So we've got a waterfall over here on the left-hand side. We've got a castle with the moon. Oh, that is stunning. It comes with a white boat with wax, pen, set of metal tweezers and a couple of little bags. But what's different as well is this has actually come with the diamonds picked. Hang on, oh, let's get in it. So the diamonds have all come in the 200 baggies. So this is very similar to what you would get from some stores in AliExpress. So each of these small bags holds about 200 diamonds, approximately. So in some instances we're getting 4 bags. So 902 we've got 4 bags. Some of them we only get 1. 310. Oh, we do get quite a few 310. So it is a big painting and there's no huge blocks of it. So we do get quite a few 310. And then we do get an inventory sheet, which is perfect when it comes to kitting up. These are great to use. So it shows the 40. It even has my name on there as well. It shows the 40 different colours and how many bags of each you should get. So 310 is actually the biggest. We should have 17. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. So we do have 17 bags of 310, and you can go down and check off your inventory. It is something that's recommended to check that you do have all the diamonds you should before you then, you know, maybe pop the diamond painting away to do later. but look at those colours. We've got, yes, we do have a lot of muted, but there's a lot of muted in that picture, but there is quite a bit of vibrance as well. Some nice colours scattered throughout. But to be honest, I was quite impressed it had my name on it. So yeah, so these must be printed to order. And let's have a look, what size is this one? I was getting very excited with it having my name on it. So this is, so it is slightly smaller than the size stated. So it is 85.5 centimetres. The 90 centimetres is the actual canvas, taking into account the outside border, and it is 25 deep. But the image is still very well charted, from what I can tell. It always looks different once you put the diamonds on. It normally looks better once you put the diamonds on. But I'm quite happy with the way that's charted, even before there's diamonds. So that's painting number 1. Number 2, again, it has my name on it. Oh, it's bagged up this way. And we've got another little strip. That is actually, is that a sticker? Oh, that could be handy for the logbook, to put a little sticker of the painting in it. It's poured glue, again. This one is a round. So this is a 30 by 30, which is 25 by 25 diamond painting area. It's a round, it has 20 colours. You get that nice toolkit again with tweezers, white boat, and you get an inventory sheet again with the bags all inside. So it's sort of all included. There's your colours. I tip the colours up that way. So it is individual bags to open, but I don't mind that sometimes. I really don't. Sometimes it can be quite fun. I love the fact that you get an inventory sheet, and I love, love, love the fact that it's got my name on it. But we have 20 different colours in this one. Gives you all the symbols, which are all letters and numbers. There is some symbols on this other one, but they only seem to use them after the letters and numbers have sort of ran out. So they don't do the letter B because oh, in fact they do, but in a capital, sorry. What is it, 1, 2, 3, 4? They don't do a 6. They haven't on this one either, so that must be a number that they don't use, or a letter that they don't use. They don't use a 0 either. Yeah, so there is a few that they miss out, probably because they don't show up clear or they look too similar to another one. But I like the fact that they're packaged different. It's kind of nice. So that was my second image. Coffee. I love a good coffee. And then the third one is Rebecca 3. Have I got excited enough about it having my name on yet? This one is also another round, and I can tell because on the canvas the symbols are as a round, and on the square canvas they are shown as a square. So that's quite a nice easy reference. I also have my little sticker that I could use for my logbook when I tidy up these diamonds that are all over the place. I thought he was fun. He has got a lot of one background colour. There is 25 colours in this. One of them is the background and the other 24 are him. But he has some gorgeous shading colours. Gorgeous different colours, shading, especially around this sort of scarf slash hat slash ears. Looks like a bit of all. Also comes with the nice toolkit. Also comes with the packet diamonds and my inventory sheet. Oh, that's my background colour, 162. You see that blue there? And that blue there? That is my background colour. I have 38 bags of those. We have 7,487 diamonds. So they've given us 38 bags of 162. So, for example, 799, we need 213. They've given us 2 bags, which is actually 400. So there's quite a nice bit of extras. There's nothing. So 186, they've only given us 1 bag and there's 180 diamonds. So we're a little bit more limited on the amount we have spare there. I was trying to see if there's anything that is sort of really, really close. But I'm not seeing any that are hugely close to being not enough. Quite often the bags will have over 200 in anyway. But I keep trying to check the multiples. But even the ones that hit 12,000, they hit 12,000 and something, so they give you that extra bag anyway. There's nothing that's hitting very close to a round number. And they're the colours in this one. Let's see if I do that, if we can see it a little bit easier from the end. Of course, a lot of it is this blue. But I like some good colour blocking every now and then. I really do. So yeah, thank you to CooDeals for sending me these. Very exciting that they're all packaged a little bit different, and very excited that they have my name on them. But we have a 90 by 30 castle. We have our little owl, and then I have my standard love coffee. Excuse me. I will pop links to all of these down below, and of course by clicking on them you can go to the site and have a browse for yourself. But yeah, I'm impressed with the amount of colours that are in there. I'm impressed with the packaging, the extra little touches, like the inventory sheet is nice. Even just having these stickers in there. I mean, I know they're not huge, but if you were to kit up the diamond painting, or if you wanted to put this in with your diamonds, you can look at a glance and see, you know, which image it's for, which is always nice. I have got diamonds all over the place and all sorts of bags over in this corner, but I'll sort those out in a minute. And of course you get a, you know, a fairly good toolkit with each and every one of them. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.